Hello my dear students. Today we will discuss very important chapter of our class 7. The chapter name is transportation in animal. So in this chapter we will discuss about the transportation which includes circulatory system, excretory system in human being, and also about the transportation in case of plants. So in this chapter we you all know for living we need food also, air also, and water also. So this is three primary needs of our life, and how this is be transport to all the part of our body. Food, air, and water which is be transport to all the part of our body. The system is known as circulatory system. By the help of circulatory system only that food transportation occur from one part of our body to another part of our body. Now let us discuss about transportation in case of human being. So circulatory system present in case of human being which helps to be transportation of food, air, and water. So these all are things which is be transport to one part of our body to other part with the help of blood. So blood is the connective part present in our all the part of our body which helps to be transportation food, air, and water from one part of our body to another part of our body. So this is very important fluid present in our body which helps to be transportation work. So this transportation work totally dependent on the blood, and from where this blood is be transport from one part to another part of our body by the help of heart. So blood transport digested food. It take the digestive food from which part of our digestive system? From the small intestine to other part of our body. So and blood carries oxygen from the lungs to various cell of our body. So it's also blood transport waste to our excretory system. So blood help in the transportation of pure blood to all the part of our body, and also helps to be accumulate the waste material from the body. So it but now we discuss about the composition of blood. Blood consists of plasma. Plasma is a fluid present in our blood and the blood cells. So there are three main type of blood cells present in our blood: red blood cell, white, and platelets. So the plasma is the 90% water it is has contained, and the 10% minerals present, and it is a fluid where all these red blood, white blood cells, and the platelets present. So now we discuss about the red blood cells. Its color is red because of the presence of hemoglobin. Okay, so this hemoglobin which consists of iron, because of this its color is red, and it helps to be carry out the oxygen and transport it different part of our body. Now what white blood cell helps to be maintain our immune system, so it's protect our body from different type of disease. And platelets, when our blood is flown like this, then it has to be in blood clotting. So blood clotting with the help of platelets only. So it's also play a very important role in our body. Okay.